Howdy. This time around, I'm back in Switzerland just for a little 1-week stint celebrating my girlfriend's sister's wedding. Congratulations, Alex. But it wouldn't be much of a video if we didn't include any fun and death-defying activities to go along with it. So, feel free to watch as I surf in this landlocked country, face my fear of heights, and just overall enjoy what this beautiful country has to offer. Alright, we're in Switzerland and we're gonna head to the lake. I'm with my girlfriend Marine. It's gonna be a splendid time. C'est la moto!
Come to Switzerland, try this one.
We made it to the lake. Alright, just finished up with the lake. Now we will go where?
Back home.
Now we're gonna go back home and get some exercise. Yeah, a nice beautiful time at the lake. Okay, so we just came here to Thun and we saw some guys surfing on the river, like kind of pulling a rope, kind of like a wakeboard, and just like cruising behind the river. So we're gonna go, I asked them if I could try it out, and we're gonna go grab my swimsuit and give it a go. I'm excited, but yeah, we'll see how it goes.
And especially because the water is like from the glacier, so it's super cold.
Oh, is it really cold?
Yeah.
Cold water. But yeah, should be a fun time. All right. So fun. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I mean, it feels like wakeboarding, like behind the boat or something. Yeah. Wow. So cool. This is Leo.
Hey, what's up?
He's a local surfer here in Thun.
Well, surfer's a bit too much.
Yeah. Well, now you are. They were kind enough to let me use their board and let me try it out. But yeah, it was a good time, definitely. Okay, so we just we finished up with the surfing about 30 minutes. Oh, it was sick, man. 30 minutes, an hour ago. There's the train. And had a kebab, or had some durum, and had some of this protein porridge. So good. And now we are headed to Lauterbrunnen so we can go up to Wengen. It's gonna be a very fun time. We're just driving there right now. We're about, like, what is it, 20 minutes away? 10 minutes away.
10 minutes.
10 minutes away, so hold on. We're actually turning into it right now, look. Wow, so here's the valley.
It's cloudy.
Entering Lauterbrunnen. Steigweiler. I will get back to you guys on the train and show you the ride up, going in the train, all the things you want to see, okay? We'll see you in just a second. On the train to Wengen, waiting for it to leave. It's gonna leave in 3, 2, 1. Got my banana. I'll absolutely house this thing right now. And we're off. Alright, just woke up. It's a beautiful morning here. It's a little cloudy, but nevertheless, the crazy man in the Swiss Alps is here, so we're gonna go get him from the station, get some breakfast, head back, cook it up, and then we'll start our Via Ferrata. Alright, this morning we're making some eggs. We got about 7 eggs in here. These eggs are just about done. You don't want to cook them too much because they still cook after they're done, or after you take them off the pan. So kind of want to let them simmer for a little bit. A little bit liquidy. This might be a little too liquidy. Actually, it's a pretty good consistency, I might say.
Yeah, you know you have to cook the eggs with the right consistency. That should be good. Yeah. You know, I'm just a Californian surfer boy. I've never been up to mountains. We use the local slang. It's gonna be rad. Yeah, when I said Bruno, she won't go.
Yeah.
So yeah, what about that?
Looks amazing. It's prosperity pastor.
Not yet. No, delete this.
Oh, you don't know.
Back in Milan. Here we go. On our way to the Via Ferrata. I'm very nervous, very scared. So, I know you can probably hear it in my voice. Don't know what I'm gonna do when I get up there, we'll see. But yeah, I guess you gotta do things that scare you.
Talk to a girl.
Yeah, talk to a girl. All ready to go. All right. I don't want to. We gotta go through this dark cave before we enter, so yeah, let's go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm fine. That was, oh, that was nerve-wracking, to say the least, but, oh, they base jumped. Yeah, he jumped. But yeah, I did it. Stoked. But yeah, I think we have another like 2 hours of height. So we're gonna continue on. I've actually never done something like this before, so it's pretty cool to see what it's like.
Yeah. I like Toyota cars because I feel they're really reliable cars. Okay, great topic. Next topic. Why do you like bears?
Because they just have a really nice name in German.
Yeah?
And
That was the name.
Bad.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and honestly, they're very big and they can attack you.
Oh yeah.
And they have sharp claws.
Oh yeah.
And their fur keeps them warm, and they hibernate. And
Thank you. That's enough.
shit, dude. Oh, thanks. Yeah, if you can. One more? Candid? Oh. Ah. Oh, oh gosh.
It's not.
Just did the bridge. All right, now we think it's about done, so good experience.